Greetings to all. Namaskaram. I am Yash Acharya, a PhD student in the Antimicrobial Research Lab. I am working under the supervision of Professor Jayanta Haldar at the New Chemistry Unit in the Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, that is JNCASR, in Bangalore, India. Today I am going to share a few exciting things about my doctoral research with you all. I have been working at the Antimicrobial Research Lab, first as a master's student and then as a PhD student from 2020, working towards tackling the ever-present challenge of antimicrobial resistance and complicated bacterial infections. Since joining the lab of Professor Haldar, I have been working towards developing small molecular peptidomimetics as broad-spectrum antibacterial agents. I have worked towards designing and developing amino acid based strong membrane perturbing molecules which show potent metabolism independent activity against SRAs, including clinical isolates such as MRSA and VRSA, while showing negligible toxicity towards mammalian cells. I chose the field of infectious disease therapy due to its universal and people centric nature. The challenge of infectious diseases is a universal, ubiquitous, and an ever growing one. The immense ability of infectious pathogens to evolve, adapt, and overcome whatever therapeutic regimen we throw at them is truly mind boggling. It is this nature of infectious diseases that first attracted me to it, as did the specific requirement for an interdisciplinary approach to mitigate it. In the course of my doctoral work, if there is one thing that I realized, it is that addressing the problem of AMR requires the integration of knowledge and approaches from a diverse set of fields such as chemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, immunology, biochemistry, and clinical medicine. If one wants to address this global health challenge successfully, one has to follow an inclusive and multi-pronged approach. This thought has stayed with me, and I have attempted to collaborate with microbiologists, cell biologists, immunologists, and computational chemists during the course of my work. A very endearing aspect of our research is that we attempt to bridge the gap between scientific curiosity and practical application, thereby directly impacting society and public health. Ultimately, it is the potential to translate our research findings to clinical use which excites me the most. As a lab, we endeavor to combine knowledge and information from various fields to tackle AMR. This, coupled with the ever-evolving nature of bacterial pathogens, drives me and our Haldar Lab to persevere in emerging with simple, cost-effective and resilient therapeutic solutions to mitigate AMR and complicated infections. For those interested to know more, there is a link to our lab webpage and Twitter profiles in the description box. Thank you.